So what's up everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to verify your Uphold account. And let's get straight into the video. The first step is to log into your Uphold account. Just go to Uphold website, or you could also log in through the mobile app, and you could do that using your email address and password. And of course, when you're done with that, the second step is to navigate to the verification page. So what you want to do is to click on your profile picture or username in the top right corner of the page. Then you want to select settings or account settings from the drop down menu, and then click on verification or verify accounts. Now the third step is to choose what verification method you want to use. So you could Uphold offers two verification methods. So you could use identity verification. You could choose to verify your identity using a government issued identification card. That could be a passport, driver's license, or whatever. Or you could use address verification. So you can verify your address using a utility bill or a bank statement. Now whatever one you want to use, just go ahead and use that. So the first step is to upload the required documents. So depending on what identification method that you want to use, just go ahead and upload the required documents. And once you're done with that, you need to enter your verification information. So you got to enter the required verification identification. That could be your ID card verification, or you could use your address verification. So if it's for ID card verification, you got to enter your ID card number, expiration date, and other relevant details. And if it's for address verification, you got to enter your address and other relevant details. Once you're done with that, you just need to review and submit the verification form. So once you're done with all that, click submit to complete the verification process. And the final step is to just wait for verification, because Uphold is going to review your verification documents and information to make sure everything is correct. And then you are going to receive an email notification once your account has been verified. That's pretty much it. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you liked the video, hope you found it useful. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, because that helps us out so very much. And please don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss another one of our awesome videos in the future. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.